You're staring at an ASP.NET Core project. Controllers or Razor Pages? Which do you use and why? Razor Pages are page-centric. Each page is just two files, a .xml template and a .xml code behind. Routing is file-based using the app page directive. ASP.NET Core maps URLs to files automatically. Controllers take a different approach, following the MVC pattern. Controller, view, and model are three separate concerns in separate folders. In Razor Pages, handler methods live directly on the page model. OnGet for GET requests, OnPost for POST requests, both tied to that single page. With controllers, you define named action methods and each can return a different view. One controller class can drive an index view, a details view, and a create view. Far more flexibility for multi-view scenarios. Razor Pages shine for simple, self-contained pages. A login form, a profile page, a settings display. Controllers are the better choice for REST APIs, complex multi-step workflows, or when a single class needs to drive several different views. And here's what many developers miss. Both approaches coexist happily in the same ASP.NET Core application, so you don't have to choose just one. Razor Pages bundle a page's logic and template together. MVC controllers separate them by concern. Know when each shines. Then, pick the right tool. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.